5 home remedies for tonsillitis. Tonsillitis refers to the inflammation of the tonsils, which are lymph nodes located on both sides of throat. Tonsillitis is very commonly seen in children, but adults can also get it too. Tonsillitis occurs as a result of viral infection or at times due to the bacterial infection that cause enlargement of the tonsils. The condition can be varying degree, mild, moderate, and severe. Common symptoms of the tonsillitis include sore throat, fever, swollen glands, and tonsils, difficulty in swallowing, runny nose, headache, bad breath, coughing, and sneezing. Number 1 is salt water. The best and the most common home remedy for tonsillitis is to gargle with warm water. The warm water will have a soothing effect and the salt will kill the virus or bacteria. Plus, salt helps to reduce the inflammation, giving you an instant relief. Mix 1 teaspoon of table salt in cup of warm water. Gargle with the solution. Do not swallow it. Spit it water out after gargling. Repeat this often possible for speedy recovery. Number 2 is lemon. Lemon's antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties take care of the infection as well as the inflammation. Plus, its high vitamin C content improves the body's resistance to infections. In a glass of lukewarm water, add the juice from 1 lemon, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Drink in slowly, twice daily for a few days. Number 3 is basil. Basil is another very effective home remedy for tonsillitis due to its antiviral and anti-inflammatory nature, as well as its healing properties and soothing qualities will help to reduce the swelling and pain, as well as speed up the healing process. Boil about 10 basil leaves to 1½ cup of water and then boil for 10 minutes. Strain and add the juice from 1 lemon to the solution. Optionally add 1 teaspoon of honey to sweeten it. Drink this 3 times a day for about 2 to 3 days. Number 4 is turmeric. Due to its strong anti-inflammatory and antiseptic qualities, turmeric can also fight off the tonsillitis infection and relieve the irritating symptoms. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to a glass of hot water or salt water. Gargle with this mixture several times a day and especially before going to bed. It will also help to get rid of the inflammation and soreness. Number 5 is cinnamon. Cinnamon can be used for treating tonsillitis. Being rich in antimicrobial properties, cinnamon inhibits the growth of bacteria and other microorganisms in the tonsils and help to reduce the swelling, pain, and inflammation. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to a glass of hot water. Mix in 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey and sip in slowly while it is still warm. Drink this 2 to 3 times a day for about a week.
You like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.